Hi Brian, this is Suzanne Chapel of Nelson, BC. I've been enjoying your broadcast, Africa of the Cosmos. I have a couple of comments. I have written something out, and then there's something I wanted to speak to about singularity and entirety. First I'll read this, but that's my own work. Mass is inverted where two dimensions meet and implodes, thus creating a quantized leap or jump function along a vector field. Particles move with the force of gravity quantumized by the mass inversion squared by its square root. This can detect the vector scalar field. The distance times the rate of the change shape the shapes of the cause and the vector field presents. Forces implode when opposing fields are presented in the same moment in the same field occupation. Geometric fractals of matter expressed through vector lines of force according to the law of conservation, only moving at the speed of light through a non-entropic field that acts like a vacuum, to literally suck up the matter along the vector direction, magnitude amplified by the quantumized muon waves. And yes, I'm working on this new book. I wanted to speak to you about the concept of singularity and entirety. My perception is that we are living now in this consciousness in a singularity, which is why we don't necessarily perceive the other us's in other places and dimensions. This entirety of our quantum consciousness makes up our entire selves, including all the lifetimes we've lived and all the other expressions of ourselves in other places. I personally have had a vision of seeing myself in 3 other places at the same moment. And I knew they weren't me. They were in a panel, 2 panels it looked like beside me. And the one me on this side turned and looked at me and we recognized each other. It was quite profound. And so I am of the mind that, yes, in fact, there are other dimensions. There are other places where our consciousness exists and other realities that we're living at each moment. I would like to talk to you further about this. However, when there's more to say. And I will be doing some talks on this in Nelson, BC in late March. So if you can send someone up, I'd appreciate that. Have a great day.